Jai Shri Krishna friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your friend Captain Naresh. We are uploading the messages how to stay in happiness and in motivation to get things done happily. Friends, for unessentials, unnecessarily problems, our unnecessarily thoughts, we have gained ourselves so much that we are unable to break that prison. And when we don't break the prison, friends, what happens is negative, depression, hypertension, and other things grips us to such an extent. Instead of we stop worrying and start living, we start worrying and stop living. It's just the opposite, it happens, and we feel that I am so respected person, so well to do, everything is in my favor, so I don't require any of these suggestions how to improve on myself, because we have put us in a big bondages of false self-respect, false ego, false that we are very beautiful, very handsome. Our family is the greatest family born on the earth, and all great and great ego is covering us. Until and unless we break the ice, friends, by bowing down, by thinking ourselves that all are human, we are also human, then only the ice will break. And once the ice is broken, the enjoyment of happiness, motivation will come. It's just like you must have taken coconut. The coconut shell is very hard, and it's sometimes very difficult to break it. You have to hammer it very strongly to break it. But when you hammer it, when it breaks, what happens? A sweet Amrit like water, pure water comes out. And same is here. When we break our ego cage, which we have created all around us, and thinking we are the great, then pure soul emerges with beautiful energies and fragrance around us. To begin this session, friends, let's pray God Krishna, who is giving us this knowledge, this motivation to send these messages those who require and want to get motivated and change their lifestyle. सच्चिदानंद रूपाय विश्वोत्पत्ते आदिहेतवे तापत्रय विनाशाय श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नमो नमः। श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नमो नमः। श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नमो नमः। श्रीकृष्णाय वयं Shri Krishnaya Vayam Namo. Bol Bhagwan Shri Krishna ki jai, Shri Nand ke Lala ki jai, Shri Dev ki Nandan Shri Krishna ki jai, Shri Dwarkadhish Bhagwan Shri Krishna ki jai. बोल देवदे पूर्ण ब्रह्म भगवान श्री कृष्ण की सदा ही जय. Jai Shri Krishna friends, good day. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your friend Captain Naresh. We are here to learn how to remain in motivation and be successful and always be happy. Well friends, you must remember this thing. Until and unless your sadness which is inside you, it is a burning coal, burning all the positive energy. Until and unless that coal is water of love, water of positive energy is not put, it will not go off. We have to put that burning coal by putting some positive energy. Like when the fire is there, we spray water or carbon dioxide to bring the fire under control. And this is what happens. It's a wildfire. From how long it is burning in us, we do not know. To make it cool, make it off, it will take time. But there is nothing impossible. Don't think it is impossible, I can't do it. You can do it and you will be able to do it. Have this positive feeling in you. Friends, one must agree and accept its mistake done by self. Until and unless you agree that if a mistake is done, you know it's a mistake done by you, it's a wrong thing done by you. But for the sake of ego, you argue like a lawyer. That how the lawyers argue in the court. They know this man has committed murder, but still they try to prove him that he is very innocent, he doesn't know how to hold a knife. Same we do. We make a mistake, we commit a crime, and we try to defend it. We never try to compromise it. We never try to forgo it. Until and unless man bows down and there is a word in him, thanks and sorry. If you have these two words in your mouth, believe me, the entire world will be your friend. When you make a mistake, you feel that somebody is hurt, ask him sorry. And when you are having a gratitude or you are happy somebody has done something for you, say thanks. Because if you practice forgiveness and asking for forgiveness, that means if somebody has hurt you, forgive. If you hurt somebody, ask for forgiveness. This will generate a very positive energy in you. When a person holds a grudge or anger, remember this thing. In any form, it converts into self-punishment, thus burning all positive energy and leaving us in the negative energy which harms us to such an extent that we go in deep depression, severe heart attack, even death, even number of diseases take place. Because when the hurt we are putting inside, it's like a burning coal. And it won't allow you to sleep in a nice, comfortable way. It will give you a disturbed sleep. If you go on work, you will be in a disturbed mood. Say it's just like that. If you are starting for an office from the morning, and in the morning when you are going, and there is some quarrel in the house, and that quarrel goes to very high, large scale. What happens? You when you reach your office, your positive energy won't be there, and your output will reduce to such an extent that you won't be able to give a good output. And what will happen, you will make lots of mistakes. A worried mind makes more mistakes and becomes more complicated, and thus put all positive energy into a negative energy. It creates an unknown fear around us, superstition, so many things will grip you. But when a person forgives, he actually practicing kindness. He is not doing a kindness on him, or he is not going to anybody by saying sorry or if he has done something wrong. When you forgive someone or you ask for forgiveness and somebody forgets that irritation with you, remember, it is you are giving yourself a relief. You are not giving relief to others, but you are giving relief to yourself. Remember, everyone makes some mistakes in the life. It is once mistake the person learns and grows, become bigger and better. From the mistake we learn. And from this attitude, we learn that if we try to break the ice, it is not we are doing pity on the others, we are doing a pity on ourselves by making our mind restful. Otherwise, your mind will jump like a monkey from one branch to another. Neither it will allow you to sleep, nor it will allow you to perform any good duty. And it will, from one mistake, you will make number of mistakes, and finally you will say, I'm unsuccessful man in my life. Always show your gratitude. Always appreciate of blessing in your life, and equally important to express your appreciation to those who have made your life better or some way, big or small. Some people, they feel uncomfortable to appreciate, to praise anybody, and that is a wrong thing. But when you appreciate somebody, it makes you better and lighter. It makes you feel lighter, and it makes you feel in a positive energy. They says, no, if you can't do anything, help someone, give a smile to someone, make someone comfortable, and God will make you comfortable in your lifestyle, because God is always great. Whatever the energy you give in this universe, the same energy comes back. Remember to be happy and be motivated for happiness. Success will come on its own. You don't have to run after success. The success will come once you are having a peaceful mind, a peaceful life, a loving life, a loving family, enjoyable. If you are able to enjoy the sunrise, if you are able to enjoy nature, if you are able to enjoy music, Gita, Bhagavad, or any good session, and with truly happiness, you will improve on your lifestyle and you will feel motivated everywhere. Every situation in life will give you motivation, and not motivation but also happiness. And once the happiness is there in you, the success will be your slave. Well friends, thank you for hearing me. This message is from God Krishna, I should say that way. Hope you will like it and implement on your lifestyle, and thus it will help you. If it helps you, you feel better. You don't have to say thanks to me. You have to say thanks to God Krishna who has sent you this message. Okay friends, I take leave of you. Jai Shri Krishna. Good day. Goodbye.